Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable TalkBack on ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. To enable the TalkBack, go to Settings, then in Settings go to Accessibility, then you will see TalkBack right here, and you can just enable it.
TalkBack on. TalkBack. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Media volume controls.
And now I'm gonna quickly show you how it works. So the item that is selected, with the green outline is the item that is being read out loud. And to click on that item, just double tap on the screen. To move between items, go to the right or left, just like that. And now I can go back to TalkBack here, double tap to confirm to enter that. Now go to use TalkBack, double tap, now go to the right,
TalkBack off.
and now TalkBack is off. And that's how you simply use it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.